President Abbas, since over the past several years you have refused to meet with me and sit down and negotiate peace, I hope you'll hear this message. First, your advisor, Sultan Abu Einan, recently called to slit the throat of every Israeli. 3 days later, a Palestinian terrorist turned these words into action when he slit the throat of a 13-year-old beautiful girl, Hallel Yafa Ariel, as she slept. She was a little, innocent girl. She didn't deserve this. I ask that you fire this advisor because advocating genocide is not consistent with peace. Second, your party recently praised a terrorist on Facebook who murdered 24 civilians, innocent Israelis, in cold blood. I ask that you pick up the phone and instruct your party's social media manager to stop praising mass murderers. Impressionable children read these posts. They should be taught harmony, not hate. Such words seriously harm the chances of peace. Third, next week the Palestinian Authority will dedicate a monument to Abu Sukkar. Abu Sukkar murdered 15 people by detonating a refrigerator filled with explosives on a busy Jerusalem street. Rather than dedicate a statue to a mass murderer, I ask that you consider honoring a champion of coexistence. This will help educate future generations to love peace over war, compassion over violence. It will also help convince Israelis that they have a true partner for peace. Fourth, the PLO currently pays a monthly salary to anyone who murders Jews. This money provides direct incentive to commit terror. I ask that you stop paying murderers and instead use this money to found coexistence education. Teach tolerance, not terror. Every Israeli and Palestinian child deserves a life of hope, of tranquility, and opportunity. I will continue to work tirelessly for peace. It's time that you join this effort.